How to use the question bank Part 1. In this video, we will demonstrate how to 1. Add and use categories in the question bank. 2. Use the question bank filter. And 3. Add questions to the question bank. Let's get started. First, go to your course page and click on the More tab. From the drop-down menu, select Question Banks. You will see a section listing question banks in this course and a section listing other activities with questions. Click on the System Shared Question Bank to access the question bank. There is a drop-down menu located at the top left of the question bank page. In this menu, you will see the options: Questions, Export, Import, and Categories. We will cover the Categories and Questions options. Categories. From the menu, select Categories. You will be taken to the Categories page where you will see all categories available for this course. To create a category, click on Add Category. Then, on the Category Creation page, select the parent category. It is advised that you select the top for System Shared Question Bank category. After this, name your category and then add any additional category info if necessary. You can also add a category ID, which is a way of identifying questions belonging to the category. When you are finished, select Add Category. You should see the new category you created at the bottom of the list. Questions, using the question bank filter. From the menu, select Questions. You will be taken to the Questions page where you will see the question bank filter. The filter allows you to filter for questions belonging to a particular category. The filter will already be calibrated to the default for your course. In this case, the filter is set to only show questions belonging to the category default for SBX 008. The questions for the category will appear under the filter block. To access questions belonging to a different category, simply open up the drop-down menu in the filter block and select the category. There will be a list of all categories belonging to this bank. Once you have selected your category, click on the Apply Filters button. The questions will appear under the filter block. Adding a question. To add a question to a category, click on Create a New Question. This will open up a catalog that displays a variety of questions and question types. From this catalog, select the question type you wish to use and click Add. For this demonstration, we will select the multiple choice question. This will bring you to the question editing interface. Here you can edit the question name, text, status, mark allocation, general feedback, and ID number. These are just the general settings that you can edit for all questions. Each question will also have additional settings unique to them. We will break down each individual question type in separate videos. Note that you can also change the question category from here. Once you are finished editing the question settings, click on the option to save. That's it. Now you can add and use categories in the question bank, use the question bank filter, and add questions to the question bank. Remember to watch Part 2.